हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू SQS क्लासेस। आज हम +2 क्लास के लिए चैप्टर 3 में आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं एंड आज जो है चैप्टर 3 में 15th लेक्चर है। इसमें 14 लेक्चर हो चुके हैं चैप्टर 3 पर ही, तो आज लास्ट लेक्चर है इस पर और लास्ट मिसलीनियस एक्सरसाइज NCERT बुक से हमने आज फिनिश कर देना है, कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन रह गए थे, क्वेश्चन 8 to 11 ऑफ द मिसलीनियस, अदर्स अप टू 7th क्वेश्चन मिसलीनियस एंड अदर ऑल एक्सरसाइजेज एंड एवरीथिंग व्हाट इज देयर वी हैव डन। हमने सब कुछ, डेफिनीशन, बेसिक कंसेप्ट, एवरीथिंग, टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिसेस, ओके, स्क्यू मैट्रिक्स, symmetric matrix, transpose of the matrix, properties of the transpose, okay, and operations also. Before that, in all these 14 lectures, everything we have done. You may see that I have given in every video, back video link in the descriptions of each video. So I will give the back also, you can see that. Okay, now come on the point today. Question 8. What is question 8? Find the matrix X so that X into 1 2 3 4 5 6, this matrix 2 by 2 matrix, and X product of both is 2 by 2. So it means product 2 by 2 means and 2 by 2, so 2 by 2 must be there. This also X must be 2 by 2. Okay, column must be equal to row and remaining also 2 by 2, because remaining means the product matrix, यानी output of the multiplication of two matrix, output product matrix, that also remaining order of the first and second. Okay, row and column, that will be 2 by 2 because this is 2 by 2. So let solution, let X matrix is equal to A, B, C. Okay, this check here, 1 2 2 row and 3 column, 2 row and 3 column, तो 2 row and 3 column, इसमें 2 रो 3 कॉलम से ध्यान दो, 2 रो एंड 3 कॉलम्स, तो फर्स्ट एक्स मस्ट बी नंबर ऑफ कॉलम मस्ट बी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ रो, तो कॉलम मस्ट बी 2 इन दिस, नॉट 3, कॉलम मस्ट बी 2, अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, एंड रिमेनिंग आउटकम कॉलम मस्ट बी इक्वल टू रो एंड देन it is 2 by 3 remaining, so here 2 by 2 must be there. So A, B, C, D, this will be 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, let X is equal to this. So question, according to question, what X means A, B, C, D, this X into 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this multiplication is equal to the this -7 -8 -9 and 2 4 6. Okay, now this implies product of these both. Do that. What is the multiplication rule? First row with first column, first row with second column, first row with third column, corresponding elements multiply and sum. Okay, that will be first element, second element and third element of first row, you know. So first with first column, A into 1 A, B into 4 4B, so A plus 4B This is the first element of these product. Second element, first row with second column, a into 2, 2a and plus 5 into b, 5b, 2a plus 5b. Second element. And now third column also is there. So first row with third column, third element. So 3a plus 6b. This is third element of the product matrix of these two. Now second row with first column similarly, second row with second column, second row with third column. Then second row will come of the product matrix. So C into 1, C, D into 4, 4D, C plus 4D, C plus 4D. This first element second column के साथ second 2C plus 5D, 2C plus 5D, 2C plus 5D. This is second element. Third element with third column 3C plus 6D, 3C plus 6D, 3C plus 6D. This is the third element of second row, and this is given is equal to, what is given this product? -7 -8 -9 2 4 6. Okay, now this given. ठीक है बेटा. Now it means now compare, because these are equal, one matrix, the second matrix, same order. ठीक है बेटा. 2 by 3, 2 by 3, same order. So equating both corresponding element, a plus 4b is equal to -7, a plus 4b is equal to -7. Second, 2a plus 5b is equal to -8, 2a plus 5b equal to -8. Solve both a and b, so multiply by 2 in the first. Okay, in first equation multiply by 2. What will come first equation? 2a and plus 2 for the 8b equal to 7 ja 14, -14. So these both subtract, minus plus, subtract these both, solving by deleting method. Deleting means one is substitution, other is elimination method. In 10th class we have done linear equation, two variable. So 2a minus 2a cancel, 5b minus 8b minus 3b is equal to minus 3b is equal to minus 8 plus 14, 6. Okay, then this implies b equal to 6 divided by -3, 3 2 ja 6, -2. Similarly, put here any one equation 1, equation 2. Okay, solving both. So putting b equal to -2 in equation 1. Equation 1 is a plus 4b is equal to -7, a plus 4b equal to -7. Then putting b value -2 here, so -2 for the 4 into -2 -8 is equal to -7. Then -8 will go that side, +8, so means a equal to 1. A equal to 1. So a value we have got, b value we have got. Similarly, c and d we can find. Okay? Similarly, c and d we can find. How? See here now, this I want to rub here. Okay? Then you can find similarly forward c and d. Corresponding element here, a is 1, b is you taken b is -2. b is -2. So write here a to नहीं, a equal to 1, b equal to -2. We have got. Now similarly, third element, c, second element, this c plus 4d is equal to corresponding element 2 and 2c plus 5d, 2 plus 2c plus 5d is equal to 4. Equation 1, equation 2. Here multiply in equation 1 by 2, same, 2c, same will come. So this implies 2c and 2 4 the 8, d is equal to 2 2 the 4. Then subtract 0. Here 2c minus 2c cancel. -8 plus 5, -3. -3d is equal to 0. Then this implies d is equal to 0. So d 0. Now solve. D put in any one. So putting d 0 in equation number 2 and 4. 1, 2 we have done, here 3 and 4. Equation 3. Putting d is equal to 0 in equation 3. 3 equation is this: c plus 4d is equal to 2, c plus 4d is equal to 2, then c plus 4 into 0, d is 0, so 0 is equal to 2, then c is equal to 2. C is equal to 2. We have got all these values a, b, c, d. So required matrix X. So required matrix X will be equal to, so required matrix X will be equal to A value is 1, A is 1, B is -2, C is your 2, and D is your 0. This is answer. Okay, important like this and easy to solve. Now next question. Yes, next question is in NCERT book, question number 9. Okay, see question number 9. Yes, question number 9. If question 9 in NCERT book, if matrix A is equal मैट्रिक्स ए इज इक्वल क्वेश्चन 9 अल्फ़ा बीटा गामा माइनस अल्फ़ा, अल्फ़ा बीटा गामा and minus alpha. Okay, this is such that A equal to this is such that A square is equal to I. A square is equal to identity matrix. Okay, then options are there. A option, then what is A? 1 plus alpha square plus beta gamma, 1 plus alpha square plus beta gamma is equal to 0. B option, 1 minus alpha square plus beta gamma, 1 minus alpha square plus beta gamma is equal to 0. C option, what is C? 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma, 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma is equal to 0. And D option, 1 plus alpha square D minus beta gamma is equal to 0. Now we have to check here which option is correct. Solution, what are required here? Alpha square, alpha square, alpha square, alpha square. Number 1. Number 2, beta gamma, beta gamma, beta gamma, beta gamma. So these two required. So alpha square in the solution, first alpha square, alpha into alpha, done. ठीक है, ये तो अल्फा ही है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. और बीटा गामा, बीटा इंटू गामा, ठीक है. ओके, तो ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू आई रिलेशन इज देयर. ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू आई गिवन. ओके, ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू आई गिवन. Okay, according to this, A into A is then alpha beta gamma minus alpha into A, alpha beta gamma minus alpha is equal to I. I means 1 0 0 1, 2 by 2 की है, then 2 by 2. Okay, this. Now this implies product first row with first column, corresponding element product sum alpha into alpha, alpha square and plus alpha plus beta gamma, alpha square plus beta gamma, first element. ठीक है बेटा. Now first row with second column, तो alpha beta minus alpha beta product alpha beta minus alpha beta 0, second element 0. Okay, now first row with second column over. Now similarly second row with first column, second row with second column, corresponding element products sum. Okay, then gamma into alpha. Okay beta, gamma into alpha, alpha gamma, alpha gamma and this minus alpha gamma 0. Okay, then first with second, beta gamma and minus plus alpha square. तो अल्फ़ा स्क्वायर प्लस beta gamma, this second element, and this is 0 is equal to 1 0 0 1. So solution दिया हमने, corresponding element, so this implies corresponding must be equal to alpha square plus beta gamma plus 1, alpha square plus beta gamma plus beta gamma must be equal to 1. Okay बेटा, corresponding element, first element equal to first is equal to 1. So this implies alpha square plus beta gamma minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Second, this element or and दिस आल्सो वन, सेम थिंग अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस. तो इससे क्या रिजल्ट बना, इनमें से कौन सा रिजल्ट है, सेम थिंग. तो देखो यहाँ पर दोनों नेगेटिव हो जाए, ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा उधर जाकर, वन पॉजिटिव दोनों नेगेटिव. ठीक है बेटा, दोनों पॉजिटिव माइनस वन कहीं नहीं है, दोनों पॉजिटिव हैं तो प्लस वन है. ओके बेटा, दोनों पॉजिटिव नहीं है तो मीन्स है बोथ नेगेटिव दिस. तो सी ऑप्शन. तो दिस इम्प्लाइज वी कैन राइट दिस व्हाट, take that side 1 positive minus alpha square minus beta gamma is equal to 0. So option C. So C option is correct. Is correct. Okay, clear? So C option is correct. Done. Now next question, question number 10 in NCERT book. Done. Now question 10 option question, question 11 also option question. So you have to check here, I have given in the option question solution also, because reason you must know कि how the option correct. Question number 10. What is question 10? You may see that question 10 is if the matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric. This is given कि if A is, देखो A is symmetric also कह रहे हैं और skew symmetric also. ठीक है, symmetric and skew symmetric also. Both definition verified in the matrix A, skew symmetric. Okay. दोनों हैं ये, ठीक है. Then both, then which option is correct? Okay, you see कि symmetric and skew symmetric definition we know, square matrix होनी चाहिए नंबर 1. नंबर 2 symmetric matrix A I J must be equal to A J I. यानी A12 must be A21, but as well as skew A12 must be equal to minus Aij must be equal to minus Ji. तो ऐसा कौन सा एलिमेंट होगा भाई, वो पॉजिटिव भी इसके इक्वल हो जाए, नेगेटिव भी, जैसे A12 और A21 इक्वल है सिमेट्रिक में, स्क्यू में A12 एंड A21 नेगेटिव साइन है. तो ऐसा कौन सा बने, दोनों हैं. और ए मैट्रिक्स ऐसी है कि वो दोनों को वेरीफाई करती है, इट मीन्स जीरो होना चाहिए वहाँ भी. और डायगोनल पर यहाँ इसमें जीरो होता है और इसमें कोई कंडीशन नहीं, डायगोनल पर कोई भी एलिमेंट आ जाए तो यहाँ जीरो आता है. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि ए मस्ट बी 0 0 0 स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है. तो मान लीजिए ये डायगोनल पर भी 0. दिस ओके, क्लियर. सो और ये होना चाहिए, ठीक है, मीन्स इक्वल 0 तो विच मैट्रिक्स? जीरो मैट्रिक्स। तो कौन सा ऑप्शन? ए इज जीरो मैट्रिक्स, बी ऑप्शन, बी इज करेक्ट। यानी जीरो मैट्रिक्स क्या है ये? ए इज जीरो मैट्रिक्स। Zero matrix satisfy the both condition, symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay, now next question number 11. Clear this? B option only. Now question number 11. Question 11. If A is a square matrix such that such that A square is equal to A, स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स और इस तरह से कि ए स्क्वायर भी हो ए के इक्वल आ जाए, ठीक है, देन 1 प्लस ए क्यूब, then 1 plus a whole cube is equal to -7 is a, this whole cube -7 a is equal to A option, equal to A option, A, B option 1 minus I minus A, C option I, identity matrix, D option 3A. Now solution, check what is condition, this value of this. So 1 plus a whole cube minus 7a we have to find. This implies 1 plus a whole cube, a plus b whole cube, algebraic formula, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 b square a. This formula, using this formula here, then a is 1 cube is 1 plus b cube यानी a cube means a square into a, we can write, okay, a cube a square into a, ठीक है, plus 3 a square, a is 1 square is 1 into b is a, then a, plus 3 into b square means a square into 1, so 3 a square minus 7a. Okay, now this implies a square and a both are equal, so a square is equal to a, so a square is equal to a, then 1 plus a into a plus 3a माइनस 7a, 3a माइनस 7a, ठीक है बेटा, प्लस 3a माइनस 7a, तो माइनस 4a, ओके, एंड प्लस 3a स्क्वायर इज 3a बिकॉज a स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a, ओके, गिवन, ओके, क्लियर, a स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a गिवन, ओके। नाउ a स्क्वायर दिस अगेन a, तो 1 प्लस a स्क्वायर इज a, माइनस 4a प्लस 3a, माइनस 4a प्लस 3a इज माइनस a, ओके। this then this implies this one, this is I, okay. Now this is equal to this cancel, then I, so this implies option which one correct? C. So option C is correct, option C is correct. Done, clear, okay. So like this we may do, okay. Take interest beta, watch, like, share and subscribe the channel to get the next notification automatically in your mobile, and you can see full video, you can understand everything, every concept. So and send beta forward to each contact what you have with you. So सभी को अपना कॉन्टेक्ट जहाँ भी है वीडियो भेजें, और भेज कर उनको गाइड करें कि डिस्क्रिप्शंस में बैक वीडियो भी देखना है, सब वीडियो सिलेबस वाइज आई हैव गिवन लेक्चर 10th 11th 12th क्लासेज, एनी क्लास में उनका बच्चा कोई पढ़ता होगा वो देख सकते हैं और इसका लाभ उठा सकते हैं। बहुत ही डीपली मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है, हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में वीडियो को एक्सप्लेन किया जाता है। जो भी कंसेप्ट कोई है वो हिंदी में भी बताया जाता है, इसलिए आप सभी को भेजें और वो देखें, चाहे हिंदी मीडियम है चाहे इंग्लिश मीडियम है, NCERT, ओके। नाउ यू कैन सी एवरीथिंग एंड watch, share and subscribe and write the comment in your comment box. Thank you.